Canada's oil export map is being redrawn. For decades, the US was the main buyer of Canadian crude. But as of May 2025, China has overtaken the US as the top importer of Canadian oil. This marks a turning point for Canada's energy sector, signaling a major diversification. The shift isn't a blip, it's a trend, confirmed by ship tracking data and record Chinese imports. In March 2025, China imported 7.3 million barrels of Canadian crude, a record high, and the momentum continued. The expansion of the Trans Mountain Pipeline, or TMX, is a key driver, enabling more oil to reach the Pacific and Asian markets. At the same time, US-China trade tensions have pushed Chinese buyers to seek new, reliable suppliers. Canada, with its expanded infrastructure, is filling that gap. For Canada, this means less dependence on the US and a stronger position in global energy. For China, it's about securing a stable supply. For the US, it signals a subtle but significant shift in its energy relationship with Canada. These new trade flows are reshaping North America's energy landscape. The implications are broad, affecting economies, trade relationships, and strategic alliances. Canada's oil is now flowing west, not just south. The world is watching as this new energy partnership takes shape. The North American energy map will never look the same. The Trans Mountain Pipeline expansion, TMX, has changed the game for Canadian oil exports. TMX is Canada's only direct pipeline from Alberta to the Pacific, and its expansion was a $24.4 billion feat. Completed in June 2024, the upgrade tripled capacity to 890,000 barrels per day. This new capacity unlocked large-scale shipments to Asia, especially China. Before TMX, most Canadian oil was stuck heading south to the US. Now, tankers load up on the west coast and sail straight to Asian refineries. Since expanded operations began, Canada has shipped an average of 207,000 barrels per day to China via TMX, outpacing US-bound shipments. Just a decade ago, Canadian oil exports to China were a fraction of today's numbers. The TMX expansion has fundamentally shifted Canada's export destinations. It's a strategic investment that's paying off, giving Canadian producers access to new lucrative markets. The Pacific route is now a vital artery for Canadian energy. TMX has made Canada a true global supplier. The impact is unmistakable and growing. The US-China trade war has upended global energy flows. Tariffs and trade barriers have made American energy less attractive to Chinese buyers. Chinese imports of US oil plummeted, down 90% from their peak. Tariffs added $5, $7 per barrel to US crude, making it uncompetitive. In early 2025, new US tariffs on Chinese goods triggered swift retaliation. China slapped tariffs on US oil, coal, and LNG. US crude exports to China dropped from nearly 29 million barrels in mid-2024 to just 3 million barrels per month. By year's end, US oil made up less than 2% of China's imports. This volatility pushed China to diversify its energy sources. The US was no longer seen as a reliable supplier. Canada, with its abundant resources and new TMX capacity, became the logical alternative. The trade war's fallout opened the door for Canadian oil in China. Beijing moved quickly to secure stable, long-term supplies. Canada's timing was perfect. Its oil was ready for export just as China needed it most. The result, a dramatic realignment in global oil trade. Canadian producers seized the opportunity. China found a new, dependable partner. The energy world shifted. For China, Canadian oil is now a top choice. Chinese officials see Canadian crude as more reliable than US or Russian supplies. Canada's stable regulatory system and transparent markets are big draws for long-term contracts. Cost matters too. Canadian grades like Western Canadian Select are often cheaper than Middle Eastern oil. This price advantage helps Chinese refiners control costs. US trade policies and sanctions on countries like Russia, Venezuela, and Iran have made Canadian oil even more attractive. As global supply tightens, Canada's steady output is a lifeline for China's energy security. For Canada, selling to China means less vulnerability to US market swings. Diversifying export markets has been a long-term goal for Canada. Now it's a reality, strengthening Canada's economic sovereignty. The partnership benefits both sides. China gets security, Canada gets independence. This is more than a trade shift, it's a strategic realignment. The energy relationship is set to deepen. Canada's pivot to China is shaking up North America's energy order. The US has long been Canada's main oil customer, giving it strategic leverage. But as more Canadian oil heads to Asia, that dynamic is changing. Canada's reliance on US demand is shrinking, giving it more options. and more bargaining power. For the US, this shift is a setback. American energy companies had hoped to expand exports to China, but tariffs and trade tensions shut that door. Now, US producers are losing out on a massive market. The economic impact is real: lost sales, missed opportunities, and a changing trade balance. Canada's emergence as a key supplier to China is globally significant. It could spark new trade patterns and alliances, challenging the old North American paradigm. Ongoing Canada-US trade talks now have a new variable: Canadian oil flowing west, not just south. Canada's access to Asian markets gives it more autonomy in negotiations. The US must adapt to a new reality. Canada is no longer a captive supplier. The energy relationship is being redefined. The balance of power is shifting. The future of North American energy is up for grabs. The new oil trade is reshaping fortunes for energy companies. Canadian producers like Suncor and Imperial Oil are thriving, with higher sales and better prices as Asian demand grows. Access to China supports investment and jobs in Canada's energy sector. US oil giants, meanwhile, face setbacks, lost market share in China, and disrupted growth plans. They'll need to find new buyers as China turns to Canada and other suppliers. For Chinese refiners, Canadian oil means stable, cost-effective supply and greater energy security. This diversification reduces China's reliance on any single country. The growing Canada-China energy link could spark deeper business ties and investments. More Canadian oil on the world market could also narrow the price gap between Canadian and US crude. But global trade tensions still cast a shadow, keeping oil prices volatile. As of May 2025, Brent crude hovers around $67 a barrel, a sign of ongoing uncertainty. The stakes are high for all players. The winners will be those who adapt fastest. A new trade triangle is emerging: Canada, China, and the US at its corners. Canada's direct oil exports to China are redrawing global trade routes. The US must rethink its role as both a customer and a supplier. These changes go beyond energy. They signal a shift in global economic power. Canada-China energy ties could spark broader cooperation, but political complexities remain. High-level talks are underway to navigate disputes and build a more stable partnership. Canada's diversification means less dependence on the US and more leverage in future negotiations. The US will have to adjust to Canada's growing independence and Asian connections. This oil story shows how trade disputes can reshape entire industries and alliances. Energy security and diversification will drive future strategies. The rise of China will keep shifting global trade patterns. How these three nations adapt will shape the next era of international commerce.